are here again with a epic one, but nobody never hear about. Redering and ACKEE.
What do you mean nobody never hear about that? You're not Jamaican. How you come from? People we don't know where you come from, but nobody never hear about Redering and ACKEE. My never love that or like what? People who cook Redering and ACKEE, because I don't know Mr. Francis that talk about nobody never hear about what. I tell you now, we are taking you guys down memory lane. Yeah, memory lane. Sometimes we forget our roots, but guess what? Sometimes we have to go back, you know. I don't say if we go back to the poor days, but sometimes remember where we come from to keep us humble. So guess what? That's why we could going back. We're cooking all of these meals so people can remember where they come from and remember to be humble.
And we're going with banana, dumpling, sweet potato.
Okay, people, stick and stay with us when we start the process. Welcome back, people. So I went ahead and stripped the redering. We are looking at Mr. Francis.
Yeah, listen to you.
I went ahead and stripped the redering because interest of time, and guess what? We don't want this video for long. So we went ahead and strip it. See it here? You can either do it over the fire where you kinda on a burn you call that.
Roast.
Roast?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't really remember the word, but Mr. Francis said roast. Where you just move the redering over the stove and then you see the skin start skin up. And you just strip it. Or you can, if you have time, you just strip it by itself. Yes, two ways that you can do it. And after we did that, we are going to boil it off on the stove. Put water, boil it off. Some people just pour hot water, but we are going to boil it off to take off the salt. And sometimes the redering kind of raw, so we just boil off sometime. Okay, people?
Well, I'm going to mix up flour. We call it roll and press, dumpling. Mix it up like that. Yeah, with some water. And then put it in a pot. Cook dumpling. Okay? Okay? You understand that, babes? We'll make dumpling, roll and press.
You talk to me like me deaf. See that, people? You might talk to me like me deaf. People know me I eat sugar bun. You find it in the supermarket. Good. Jamaican sugar bun. So Francis, I'm making roll and press. While my redering a boil off, look. My redering in the pot. It no start boil up yet. People remember the other day when you hear me say, Mr. Francis he do things good, but he's slow. Me want you to take a look at this. Look. Look, people. Look how I caress the flour. Look. Look on that, people. Tell me what you think.
I can't even answer you. I can't answer you.
Because you know me I talk at you.
I am very gently.
Whoa! People hear that word there. I am very gently. Whoa, it's the husband.
Don't rough you. If me the rough, you'd have gone already.
The word do. You're gentle. Look. You see? I'm hungry. I'm now finish the sugar bun. Look. You get it in a store. Royal Caribbean Bakery. Sugar bun. I'm saying it's a sugar bun, but I'm hungry, I eat it.
Who mix flour clean, sir? You ever mix flour clean, sir? Look.
That clean? Me mix it by no flour at all in my basin.
There's no in there. You see any in there?
I want it. Look there.
You see any in there?
What heap? Where you hide it for? Look at people. What
You
is
see
in
any
there?
TV in there?
Me mix it with nothing at all in there. Let me, you know, peel your food first.
No. Put in dumpling first. Dumpling can't mash out. So if you put in the food first, by the time the dumpling cook, everything will mash out.
You hear that, people? We do things different. Him put in the dumpling first, me put in my food first.
You know, comment and tell me what you think it go. Which is the right way.
You hear that, people? He's asking you to comment. If you put in your flour first, your dumpling, or you put in the yam and the banana and whatever first. I normally put in my yam and banana first, then the dumpling, and if I'm cooking sweet potato, I put that in. It don't take so long, but as he said, flour can mash out. So everybody do things different, you know, so as long as you get the same result.
Yeah.
You know, so.
Yeah.
And the red herring a bubble up in the pot. Yeah, man. Okay, people, I just took off the red herring. I'm going to throw off the water. When you throw off the water, then you can put a little fresh water on it. And then that's the time when you look to see if any bone is there. Because usually when you boil it off, the bone is just stick right up. The remaining bone just stick right up. So I'll just pick them out. So usually, as I said, I boil it off like one time. And then I'll just look if there's any remaining bone and pick it out. Look, you see? The bones. Look at the bones. They're sticking out. So when you boil it off, that's why I like to boil it off, because the bone does stick right out and you can pick them out. So I'm going to go ahead and take out all the bones. And then I'll come right back to you when I'm going to cook it down. When I'm going to cook it with the ackee. The amount of red herring when they have, and look here. That's why I tell them, when you buy them something, I'm foolish, you know. Because the amount of red herring they have, and by the time I don't pick it, and everything is gone. That's the only thing I don't like about red herring, the bone. Red herring is nice, but the bone. And a lot of people go and tell them, no, Sammy can't bother with it because the bone, too much bone. I can't bother with it, you know, because of the bone. And that is true. That's why most time I don't even bother do red herring, because the bone, and by the time you pick it, it's done. No left in it. But anyway, we are going to do this. I have my pot on the fire, so I'm going to put a little oil in it. Already gone and cut up my seasoning, scallion, tomato, onion, pepper, bell pepper. I'm sorry for Mr. Francis tonight because I have to put pepper in a red herring. I have to put hot pepper in a red herring. You will say him now if he eat it, but I'm going to eat some tonight. We're going to see. We go and see if Mr. Francis now eat none tonight. Okay, people, I'm going to put the red herring in the pot.
What's that? Why are you salting it?
I want the people to see the pot already. Move now. I'm going to put a little black pepper in the pot. Nice. A little Old Bay. Maggi all purpose. And a little pepper. A little pepper like a one. More pretty, man?
Nah, wait, no, because of your pepper.
Okay, and we're going to put the ackee. And you know I have to season twice. Alright, people, the pot land. Look on this. Ackee and red herring. With sweet potato, dumpling, banana, and dasheen. You ready, Alric?
Yeah.
Go on.
Who remember when picnic, before dinner dish out, everybody have their fork and a spoon in them pockets now? Yeah.
My brother they used to do that. Go to school with him fork in him pocket, so as soon as he come in the yard, Mama, dinner ready yet? Yes, and he just wash off him fork at the pipe and come right round.
Bless my soul, oh my Lord, for his mercy and do it forever. What?
You want some pepper in it? What it is?
Yeah, me a pray
How
for
many years in it, Ackee and red herring?
About 30 odd years.
Jesus Christ, a long time that, you know?
Long time. Because the time I live dangerously.
Right, so now no time for cook people here that him a live dangerously. I wonder what kind of dangerously. One of them days will tell me story.
From the bar to the bed. Now time to cook. So it's near my roadside.
Fast food.
Yeah. All slow food too.
Only slow food.
Yeah, I buy just buy 2 white crackers and red herring.
Oh, the crackers and the red herring and the crackers and the saltfish or whatever. Yeah.
But this tastes good.
So you ever eat red herring and ACKEE?
No.
You never eat red herring and ACKEE yet?
I don't remember.
I lie. Oh, that's why you say if me know about red herring, if what?
Who know about it?
Who know about red herring? Yeah, you say who know about red herring and ACKEE. Can you never eat red herring and ACKEE yet? Rotted. Anyway, people, the first for Mr. Francis, red herring and ACKEE, he said it tastes good. But that's something we eat all the time.
Yeah.
But guess what? Me hungry too, you know, so we not stay long panda for me at all. It's a quick one today. So unusual.
You want some?
Too hot, Alric.
I have to get some mouth water.
No, you know.
Yeah.
A long time, you know. Long time.
Alright, go and go look your own.
Anyway, people, please like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Eat good food.
Make belly boss. We are out.